I'm filling up the water bottles halfway with oil. I'm going to fill the second half of this one with vinegar and the second half of the other one with water. So, I'm putting in the food coloring, and it goes down as a single drop, which is very interesting. And then it's just gonna stay on top of the vinegar. It's not going any lower, which is very cool. I'm just going to put the lids on and shake them so that you can actually really see the color in the bottles. That's not doing much. I'll do this one. I'm getting a couple tiny little drops of coloring every here and there, but it's still staying in compact shapes. So my bottle with the oil and water, the food coloring did not mix because the oil, food coloring, and water, they all have different densities, so the food coloring will not mix with any of the other liquids. The vinegar and oil bottle did work because the food coloring and the vinegar had similar enough densities for it to mix. So after a while of just leaving it, the water and the food coloring eventually did mix, so that's good. But there are still a couple drops just floating about in the oil. So I'm gonna add the Alka-Seltzer to the bottle and I'm gonna have to close it very quickly. And I'll see what happens. So it's starting to go up. And this is the one with the vinegar and the oil. It's bubbling. It's really cool. Okay, so this one is the oil and water. Oh no, it got stuck. And this one is bubbling much slower and the bubbles are much bigger. The reason why these lava lamps bubble the way that they do is because when the Alka-Seltzer is dropped in, it creates a chemical reaction, and which creates gas, and the gas becomes bubbles and forces its way up to the surface, and that's why it does that. Doesn't that look interesting?